Hello everybody, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Maths Tech for Life. Today we are going to learn multiplication of fraction. That is multiplication of a fraction by whole number. How to multiply a fraction by whole number? The rule is if you want to multiply a whole number by fraction, you have to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction by keeping the denominator same. This is the rule. And now we are going to do some questions in exercise 2.2 of your textbook. The first example I am going to show you what is 2 multiplied by 5 by 3. What is the rule? We have to multiply the whole number with the numerator, that is 2 multiplied by 5, by keeping the denominator same, that is equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 by 3 is the answer. Let's go to another example. What is 3 multiplied by 8 by 7? The rule is multiply the whole number by the numerator, that is 3 multiplied by 8, by keeping the denominator same, 7. So you will get 24 by 7. In your textbook exercise 2.2 you can see a lot of questions like this. The method is same. You can solve this way. Okay, let's go to another type. Here I am going to show you the use of of. Here of represent multiplication. If you see in a question the word of, okay, it's represent multiplication. Let's go to one example. What is half of 10? Here you can see of half of 10. Half of 10, we know of means multiplication, so we can write half into 10. Instead of you can write multiply, the symbol multiply. So half into 10. We know how to multiply this type of fraction. Multiply this numerator with this whole number, that is 1 into 10 by 2. That is 10 by 2. Now we know 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now take another set. Multiply and express as mixed fraction. You can see this type of question, that is the first thing you want to do here is multiplication, that is multiply. Then you want to express that one into mixed fraction. Let's go to one example. 3 multiplied by 5 and half. Here 3 is the whole number and 5 and half is the mixed number. How to multiply this type of fractions? First thing we want to do here is change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to change this into improper fraction? Take the denominator of the fraction, okay, then multiply this with the whole number of the mixed fraction, then 5 into 2, then add this. It is 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2 is the corresponding improper fraction for this mixed fraction. So instead of 5 and half you can write 11 by 2. So we can write 3 multiplied by 11 by 2. How to multiply this one? Have to multiply 3 into 11 by 2. Then we know 3 into 11 is 33 by 2. Now we multiply the fraction, okay. Now express as mixed fraction. How to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction? By dividing. That is 33 divided by 2. You want to find 33 divided by 2. 33 divided by 2, we know 33 16 and 1 as the remainder. Remainder is 1. So we can write this one as 16. Then remainder will be the numerator and the denominator is same 2. That is 16 and half is the answer. I think everybody understood, because why I did like this. Here the question is multiply and express as mixed fraction. So first you have to multiply this one, then change into mixed fraction. Okay, let's go to another set of question. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Here first you have to multiply, then reduce to lowest form. For that I will show you one example. Here I am going to do one trick, okay? I will show you how to multiply this one. Here you can see one whole number 20 and one fraction 4 by 5. How to multiply this one? 20 multiplied by 4 by keeping the denominator same, that is 5. Just look all these numbers, here 20, here 4, here 5. We know in 20 there is the numerator is 20, this numerator 20 and the denominator 5. Okay, in 20 and 5 is common. That is, if you can divide this, it is divisible by 5. These two divisible by 5. So you can divide by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is, what is 20 divided by 5 is 4. That is 4 5s are 20. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we divide both 20 and 5 by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then 4 you have to cut this 20 and write up of this 24 and cut 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So you got the number 4 here. The next number is 4. Then down in the numerator denominator you can see 1. So we can write the remaining number 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 is the answer. Again I repeat, if you want to multiply this way, that is every time if you are dividing this type of numbers, okay, you have to check whether it is divisible by some number. Okay, if it is possible, you can do here itself like this. So easily you will get the answer in the lowest form as 16. Okay, let's go to another example. Here 4 into 1 by 3. The rule is 4 into 1 by 3. Here just check all this number. No number is divisible by, only the one is divisible. So no use. So you can multiply this 4 into 1 and divide by 3. That is 4 into 1 is 4. 4 by 3 is the answer. This is the lowest form. I think everybody got a clear idea of multiply a fraction by a whole number. You can see a lot of questions in exercise 2.2 of your textbook. Practice more. You can apply the same method. Okay, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.